SOFA School of Film Advancement is a training initiative aiming on young cultural entrepreneurs from all over Europe. The range of those projects is very wide, but they all have in common that they are designed for finding the correct audience for special independent films.
It's up to our participants to come up with great and innovative ideas and structures how to connect European content to the viewers all over Europe and around the world. We bring together all the experts.
Reshaping your mind in order to see how we are going to make cinema in the future.
To transmit knowledge, exchange point of view.
What SOFA will do is to provide mentorship, to give you critical feedback, and to still make you understand that even if you fail on one part, there is always another door that is opening and you are progressing as a professional.
SOFA offered a very diverse pool of very experienced mentors from different areas of culture and business.
What makes SOFA so special really is to work with increasingly innovative and increasingly professional group of people.
We are adapting ourselves like one step in advance with everybody.
I'm developing the project called United Polska.
I'm participating with a project called the New Horizons Forum.
We feel that support, and I'm really happy to continue with this project. International Wedding Film Festival, Amar.
I can meet a lot of very interesting tutors with a project called Beyond Kids.
My project is called Dreams on Bakram. SOFA continues identifying people who are passionate about their dream projects, but also who possess an innate ability to turn them into reality and success.
I joined SOFA to develop my project called Endorphin Film Sales. SOFA has served as a guide and a support group that we will manage to come up with some great ideas that will help shape the future of sharing films.
Representatives of Eastern Partnership countries could actually go extra mile in benefiting from the participation in SOFA, and I see organization of such workshops in Tbilisi as a way of promoting the country, acquiring more knowledge, and being constantly part of international dynamics.
An investment into creativity, into European film sector, including Lithuanian industry, to think out of the box.
I'm supporting the participants in becoming their best selves and in encouraging and empowering them for their projects.
I think SOFA is unique because it really offers cultural manager a platform where they can share their visions for cinema.
We will on one hand work together in face-to-face workshops, and on the other hand, we dedicate a lot of time now to develop blended learning.
We have a great group of people who just go along with it.
By starting out, for example, with an e-dinner where really everybody had the information to get to know each other, to connect to each other, and to spend some time together online. Be with us and take part in the next SOFA edition.